You'll have it made in the shade with the 270-degree Nomadic awning from Overland Vehicle Systems. Can't stay in the tent all the time, or maybe you just want a little extra shade for the tailgate or the Little League field. Whatever the application you have in mind, OVS's Nomadic awning is your solution. This is the ultimate awning, offering 129 square feet of shelter. What we're most impressed with is the construction of the awning. OVS engineered this awning for heavy-duty use. The heavy-duty mounting brackets, the reinforced oversized hinges, and the beefy boxed aluminum rafters, this awning is solid. Wrap that in the same all-weather ripstop fabric and heat-sealed seams of the Nomadic tent line, and you have an awning made for adventure. And this awning is intended to be freestanding. Standard operation requires no poles. That's 270 degrees of unobstructed view. But if you encounter a storm, you can easily flip down the 3 included, quick locking, pivoting aluminum poles for added support. This awning is one serious shelter made to keep you covered and dry. If you're interested in purchasing the 270-degree Nomadic awning from Overland Vehicle Systems or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.